In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Google Calendar invite. This is a simple yet essential task that helps you keep your schedule organized and ensures you never miss an important meeting or event. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly accept an invitation using Google Calendar. First off, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar, which you can easily find by going to calendar.google.com. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, now would be a good time to do that. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Google Calendar will alert you of a new invitation in a couple of ways. You might receive an email notification in your Gmail inbox, or it could appear directly as an event on your calendar. Either way, Google does a great job of ensuring that these invites catch your eye, so be on the lookout in both places. Next, you'll want to open the invitation to get more details. This can be done by either clicking directly on the event in your calendar or by opening the invitation email. Either approach will bring up the event details, such as the time, location, and any notes or attachments provided by the event organizer. It's a good idea to give this information a once over to ensure that you have everything you need to make an informed decision. Now comes the part where you indicate your availability. Right next to the question that says going, you'll see three response options: yes, no, or maybe. All you need to do is click on the option that best represents your availability for the event. Choosing yes will add the event to your calendar and send a confirmation to the organizer. Selecting no will let the organizer know you're unable to attend. And if you're not quite sure yet, the maybe option leaves things a little flexible until you can confirm either way. And there you have it, simple, right? With just a few clicks, you've successfully managed your schedule, keeping everything organized and giving you peace of mind knowing you've taken care of business. As a quick tip, always ensure your calendar is up to date and accessible on your devices so that managing invites becomes an effortless task. Remember, staying on top of your calendar is key to staying organized and never missing out on what's important. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher, and be sure to keep an eye out for other helpful guides on managing your digital life efficiently. Thank you for watching.